Let's master a metal song. All right, so I have this metalcore song here that I mixed. I'm gonna do a master to it, so let's take a listen to what we got so far. So it's like decently heavy. It's not too heavy, but decent balance to pretty much everything. I guess the first thing I'm going to do here is drag an EQ over. So I'm going to look and I'm going to try and find some spots that are not doing so hot, I guess you could say. Now, the key to mastering EQ is making tiny, tiny little adjustments. Anything that's huge will be very detrimental, so I'll show you what I mean here. So pretty much anything that I would do normally to mix a song, they're all going to ruin your mix. So I'm going to leave it how it is right now with this EQ, and I'm going to move on to compression. I'm going to use the Waves solid state Logic bus compressor. Normally when I do this, it's going to be with an actual compressor that's in my desk that mimics this. I'm going to be aiming for around 2 to 3 decibels of gain reduction. The way I set it is attack at the slowest of 30 and release is going to be at 0.1 and a ratio of 2. So let's get this going here. So you're going to find the loudest part of your song, which somewhere around here. Now you can see that the mix instantly falls apart when I don't have the compressor on. So let's hear a difference here. Compressor off. So it's doing a really good job of gluing this entire mix together. So after that, I'm going to add True Iron by Kazrog, which is basically Transformers. I don't normally have to add this because I have Transformers in my mastering chain. This is kind of just adding that Transformer sound, the warmth, the harmonics, all that kind of stuff. It's exciting it, I guess you could say. So let's see what this does. So now I'm going to add a tape saturation plugin. This is Kramer Tape from Waves. Let's see what this does. All right, so that pretty much excited the entire mix. That does a lot of your high-end sheen. So let's take a listen to this again here. I'm going to add another compressor, I think. I'm going to keep this one at a ratio of 4 to 1. Auto release, and then an attack of 30. I'm going to be aiming to just basically kiss the transients. The last thing I'm going to do is add L3LL Ultra Maximizer. I keep it at the basic profile. I've never actually used it on the Ultra setting, so I'm curious to see. And then my ceiling is -0.1. So let's start bringing it down at the loudest parts of the song here.
Though I try to
All right, I'm cool with that. Let's listen to this little part here. So you're gonna go from like it's gonna be quiet and then just all come in. So let's see what it sounds like. Hell yeah. Let's listen to the beginning. So I'm happy with this. Now, it doesn't sound as huge and warm and that it normally would for something I can do, because I'm usually using all analog stuff except for the limiter. This actually sounds pretty decent. So that's how you master a metal song.